So I want to talk about how I was able to use Cursor to, develop a full-on check between the authentication and the user subscription. So firstly, I knew what I needed to do in terms of mapping out the database. So I knew the database structure and I knew all the things that had to be done because I'd already done them in the previous code base, but I needed to do them here again. I didn't want to waste that time. So I mapped out everything here in a markdown file, and I also put the database structure here. So I needed to get the users from the table and then update some other table with it. So I took that there and I put it in. So I took that there and I put it in Cursor, and it was really long. I had to use an agent to get it done. So after getting it done with the agent, it created a file for me, Supabase utils, and wrote basically all the functions that I needed. It even did it better than I would have done it initially. And I also needed to use a query to get the plan so that I could cache it. So after that, I needed this action to perform in the middleware. So I needed to get user's location, right? I needed to check if user exists in a specific table so that I can update the table if the user does not exist. And I needed to add user subscription to based on like for a new user so that then they have a free plan automatically. So I'm doing all this in the middleware.ts file. So this is just like an overall on how you can use Cursor. So you initially have to understand your structure of the application you need to do. So you kind of have, I feel like being an engineer helps you better. So you have to find out how you want to get it done before you actually start putting it there. So just map everything out first of all, and then give it as much context as you can, because I think the key here is context. And that's pretty much how you get it done.